Modern Mercedes engines are not unreliable by design. In fact, from an engineering perspective, many of the engines produced between 2020 and 2026 are among the most advanced powertrains Mercedes has ever built. The real issue is not what these engines can do, but how sensitive they are to everyday driving habits that feel completely normal to the driver. Many owners believe that if the car starts smoothly, accelerates quietly, and shows no warning lights, the engine must be healthy. That assumption used to be mostly true with older Mercedes engines, but it no longer applies in the same way today. Modern Mercedes powertrains operate under very different priorities. Emissions control, fuel efficiency, and software optimization now take precedence over mechanical tolerance. Engines are built with extremely tight internal clearances. Oil passages are narrower, piston rings are thinner, and thermal expansion margins are smaller. Turbochargers spool faster, combustion pressures are higher, and operating temperatures fluctuate more frequently than in the past. All of this allows impressive performance and efficiency, but it also means the engine has far less forgiveness when conditions are not ideal. One of the most underestimated stress factors is engine warm-up behavior. When a Mercedes engine is cold, oil viscosity is higher, lubrication is uneven, and metal components have not yet expanded to their optimal clearances. If the engine is asked to produce high torque during this phase, such as hard acceleration, uphill driving, or highway merging, internal wear increases exponentially. Bearings, camshafts, timing components, and turbocharger shafts are especially vulnerable. During these moments, even though the driver feels nothing unusual from behind the wheel, this issue becomes far more severe with short-trip driving. Many Mercedes vehicles are driven primarily in urban environments. The engine starts cold, runs for a few minutes, and is shut down before reaching stable operating temperature. This prevents proper oil conditioning and allows fuel vapors and moisture to accumulate inside the engine. Over time, this leads to oil dilution, reduced lubrication quality, and increased friction in critical components. The engine control system compensates silently, masking early degradation and giving the impression that everything is functioning normally. Another overlooked factor is temperature instability. Modern engines are designed to operate within a very narrow thermal window. Repeated heating and cooling cycles, especially without full warm-up, create internal stress that accelerates material fatigue. Gaskets, seals, and plastic components are particularly affected. The most dangerous aspect of all this is the absence of early warning signs. Mercedes engine management systems prioritize emissions compliance and smooth drivability. They do not measure microscopic wear. By the time a fault code appears, internal degradation may already be significant. In the next part, we'll go deeper into oil behavior, carbon buildup, turbocharger stress, and why modern efficiency systems unintentionally accelerate long-term wear when driving habits remain unchanged. One of the biggest misconceptions among modern Mercedes owners is the belief that oil change intervals and factory service schedules are designed primarily for engine longevity. In reality, these intervals are optimized around emissions targets, warranty coverage, and average usage assumptions. Under real-world driving conditions, especially with frequent short trips and stop-and-go traffic, oil degradation occurs far earlier than most drivers realize. Modern Mercedes engines rely heavily on low-viscosity oils to reduce friction and improve efficiency. While this works well under ideal operating temperatures, it becomes a problem when the engine rarely reaches full thermal stability. Fuel dilution occurs when unburned fuel mixes with engine oil during cold starts. Moisture from combustion also accumulates inside the crankcase. Over time, this mixture reduces oil film strength, compromising lubrication in high-stress areas. Carbon buildup is another silent contributor to long-term damage. Direct injection systems, now standard across most Mercedes engines, do not wash intake valves with fuel. This allows carbon deposits to accumulate over time, especially when short trips prevent sustained high-temperature operation. These deposits disrupt airflow, alter combustion efficiency, and increase exhaust gas temperatures. The engine control unit compensates by adjusting timing and boost. Turbochargers are particularly vulnerable in this environment. Modern Mercedes turbos are designed to spool quickly at low RPM to deliver smooth torque. This means they operate more frequently and under higher load conditions than older designs. When oil quality degrades, turbo bearings experience accelerated wear. Short trips are especially damaging because the turbo heats rapidly but does not have enough time to cool properly before engine shutdown. Software-driven efficiency systems also play a significant role. Start-stop technology, mild hybrid assistance, and cylinder deactivation increase engine cycles. While these systems reduce emissions on paper, they also increase mechanical stress when combined with frequent cold starts. Each restart is a moment of reduced lubrication, and over thousands of cycles, the cumulative wear becomes substantial. The danger lies in how well these systems hide the problem. The engine remains smooth, quiet, and responsive. No warning lights appear. Fuel economy may even improve. Meanwhile, internal wear continues to accelerate unnoticed. This is why many Mercedes engines appear to fail suddenly, when in reality the damage has been accumulating slowly for years. In the final part, we'll break down practical, realistic adjustments that dramatically reduce wear, extend engine life, and allow modern Mercedes engines to remain reliable. The good news is that modern Mercedes engines can be extremely durable when their operating environment is respected. Extending engine life does not require driving slowly, avoiding performance, or turning the car into a fragile machine. It requires understanding how these engines are designed. The first and most important change is warm-up behavior. This does not mean idling the engine for long periods. Instead, it means driving gently for the first several minutes. Keeping engine speed and load moderate until oil temperature, not just coolant temperature, has stabilized. Avoiding hard acceleration, aggressive throttle input, and high boost during this phase significantly reduces wear on bearings, turbochargers, and timing components. Oil management is equally critical. Shortening oil change intervals based on real usage rather than factory maximums makes a substantial difference. Engines that see frequent short trips, cold starts, or stop-and-go driving benefit greatly from more frequent oil changes, even when using high-quality synthetic oil. Clean oil maintains proper lubrication, reduces carbon formation, and protects turbo components under high thermal stress. Driving patterns also matter more than many owners realize. Incorporating occasional longer drives allows the engine to fully heat cycle, evaporate moisture, and burn off carbon deposits. Sustained highway driving at stable temperatures helps reset the internal environment of the engine, improving oil quality and combustion efficiency. These drives do more for engine health than any additive or software update. Managing engine shutdown behavior is another overlooked factor. After hard driving or sustained boost, allowing the engine to run briefly at low load before shutting it off helps stabilize turbo temperatures and prevents oil coking. This simple habit protects turbo seals and bearings without affecting daily usability. Finally, understanding what warning systems do and do not monitor is essential. Modern Mercedes engines will not warn you about early-stage wear. They will warn you when emissions thresholds are exceeded or when drivability is affected. By the time a fault appears, internal damage may already be advanced. Preventive habits are the only reliable defense. When treated correctly, modern Mercedes engines are capable of exceptional longevity, smoothness, and performance. The difference between an engine that fails early and one that lasts well beyond expectations often comes down to small choices, repeated consistently over time. Understanding those choices is what turns advanced engineering into long-term reliability. Silence music fade.